Hello everyone. This video is a continuation of our previous video where we have painted, these two pots. You can see it's been dried and it's looking awesome. See? And this is the second one. So it's completely dried and we can use them now. So what I'm going to do, I do have this, cocoa peat, and I'm going to use this, and for germination I'm going to use this tissue paper. So this is a seeds pack, and I'm going to just take few seeds only. It's almost 100 seeds, so I'm going to take only few seeds. Almost 10 you can take it, 10 to this is fine. Rest we'll do it in some other pot. So this is what the seeds, and ensure it is slightly separated from each other. It's a proper distance between each other. And now we'll take the pot. Okay. And I'm going to put this cocoa peat powder here along with the compost which we mixed just in the previous video. Let's fill it till 3/4 at least. And yeah, that's all. Leave some portion. So in this pot I'm going to plant this aloe vera. Okay, this is my aloe vera sapling. And I will be pouring I will be placing this cocoa peat, just adjusting this sapling. So in this way our first pot will be completed. So yeah, that's all. Just adjust it so that doesn't come out. Okay, that's all. Let's keep it aside. Now in the second pot we're going to put that lavender seed. Okay. And second. Okay. So this is almost 3/4, less than 3/4. So this is fine, no issue, because we are going to use for germination. Or you can use tissue paper, which can at least adjust here. So this is what in this way, like this. And now pour some water in this and let it slightly absorb it. Okay. Yeah, it's absorbed now. Now take the seeds and just sprinkle that, and ensure it is slightly away from each other so that they get enough space to grow. We will keep all together, it will not grow, only one will grow, one or two. So give them enough space. Just slightly adjust. That's all. Okay. So this part is done. Now we don't have to pour any other water, further, water on this. And we can keep it aside in the cool place. So it takes actually 30 to 40 days to germination. So we have to just check it. And this aloe vera will be planted, immediately. So no issue. So because it's a sapling, I'm just going to pour some water and keep it in, slightly away from direct sunlight for some time, till the time, it grabs the root especially. So with this we have completed our plantation part. So I'm pretty happy with this. So this has been done, and thank you so much for joining for this video if you're watching this. And let's see, I'll keep posting about the updates, especially on the germination side. And other than that, I'm also planning to keep another form of germination for the lavender seeds, and let's see how it will turn out, because this is the first time I'm trying lavenders. So just wish me a good luck, and let's see how it will goes. So thank you so much for joining. I wish you a very happy environment day once again, and please do join my upcoming workshop, which is going to happen on the Sunday 11 a.m. and that is also very minimal cost. I kept it, and that effort is almost it is more than I would say 30 hours, but I kept in the crisp form of the 2 hours only, so that it can really you will get to know exactly the techniques and how you have to practice, and a lot of planning exercise also. So just spending 2 hours will make you prepared with respect to, even if you don't know anything about it, and also upcoming 3 months sessions also. So please do enroll for that workshop, and it is just I would say minimal cost, because keeping the information crisp and delivering that in 2 hours itself is a going challenge for me. So let's see how it will go, and just do enroll for it. Bye bye, take care, I'll see you in my workshop.